All right, question number 12 wants you to find the coefficient R, okay? So I'm going to show you how to find R. So if you have your stat diagnostics on, I'm going to go to mode, and I'm going to just go back down here and turn the stat diagnostics on, because I had turned them off in the previous video, and then quit. And now I'm going to go to stat, I'm going to go to enter. And notice I have data here. So if you already have data there, in order to clear it, you want to arrow all the way up to the top to where the L2 or whatever column you're in is highlighted. You're going to hit clear, enter, and then it clears it. So go all the way to the top, clear, enter, and then it clears it out. So we're going to enter our new data this time. Looks like 1 through 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then arrow to the next column, and we're going to do our other order pairs. 4, 2, 3, 6, 8, 9, 8. Okay, so all I'm going to do is calculate R. So I'm going to go to stat. I'm going to go over to calculate, go down to len reg, option 8, hit enter, and then I can just hit enter to compute. So here's R. They want us to round our final answer to 3 decimal places. So that is 0.869, and following the 9 is a 1, so that will not round up. So here's our correlation coefficient. Now, if your calculator didn't have the stat diagnostics, so let's say we went to mode, and let me turn this off again. Say it didn't have that. So when you did, you still have to go through the same process. Like, you have to enter your data, you have to go to calculate, you have to calculate linear regression. Okay, you got to do all that. You still got to do all that. And then it doesn't show. The way you get to it is you're going to go down here to VARs. Okay, so VARs, you're going to go down to option number 5, statistics. And then in statistics, you're going to arrow over to equation, EQ. And then here they can do the regression equation. And then you see option number 7 has R. So if you scroll down to option number 7 and just hit enter, and then hit enter again, it will compute that R for you. So we're getting the same value, 0.869. So a couple ways to get R to pop up for you using the calculator. Okay, so number 13, this one wants us to use the 5 commercial cities. We're going to find the linear regression for the data in the table. And so if you were doing it by hand, they want you to do the intermediate steps to 6 decimal places. And then the final answers, we're going to round to 2. Okay, so all I'm going to do is go to stat, hit enter. I'm going to clear out the data, so arrow to the top, hit clear, and then enter. Do the same thing for list 1. Arrow to the top, hit clear, and then hit enter. And once you do that, we're going to enter our new data. So you notice the top is X, the bottom is Y. They indicate that. And even if not, it's always going to be that case. The top will be X, bottom will be Y. And if it's vertical, the left will be X, the right will be Y. So I'm going to enter this data. 2, enter, nope, not 2, 3, enter, 8, 13, 16, 18. So 3, 8, 13, 16, 18 looks good. Arrow over, the next set is 2, 3, 6, 3, 7. 2, 3, 6, 3, 7. Okay, stat. Arrow over to calculate. I'm just going to hit the number 8 this time instead of arrowing down, and then I'm going to arrow down and hit calculate. So here is our equation. Y equals A. The A is 1.21. 4 will not round that up. So 1.21 plus, and then we have 0.25. Now 7 will round that up, so I'm going to say 0.26. So 0.26x. Okay. So this is the way you put the linear regression in.